Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Let me close my door here, but I wanted to show you how I do my hair. Now, I only wash my hair like once a week, and then this is what I do the rest of the time that one day. So anyway, first I wash it and then I dry it with this amazing tool. So if you don't have this, this has been like a game changer. I've been using it for over a year. I don't even use like round roll brushes. I just use this. And I kind of let the ends dry naturally. Because I don't want them to get damaged, but I use this first. And then I find that my hair stays best if I just kind of curl it. So let's see how quickly I can do this. I separate it, pull it in the front, and then I just take pieces, I don't even know how big you would say this is, but my hair's pretty thick. Take the curling iron, and then I just kind of run it, oops, I already messed up. Just kind of run it over my hair, rolling it backwards, leaving that end out, because I don't want it to be like curly Q. Just kind of comes out that way. I want it really, really loose. I have thick hair, I have fine hair, but it's really thick. And underneath is wavy. So I also feel like this kind of works well with it because it can kind of keep the top straight and then just kind of work, see underneath, it's like I have a whole different head of hair. So just kind of do that. Let's see how that one looks. Boom. Okay, see, it's not really a curl. All right, and then to blow dry my hair with that other blow dryer takes me, I usually will, I'll first like rough dry it with a towel, and especially at the root, and then I just kind of brush through. That's probably, I don't know, 5-ish minutes, maybe a little bit more. So all in, like this whole thing, this should only take 5 minutes, this part. So all in, it should take about 15 minutes. And then I don't know what it is. Maybe you can tell me something about when I use the curling iron, maybe the heat kind of sets my hair. So I work out, I try to work out every day, and when I work out, I don't wash my hair. And I went to a hairdresser, and he said, you don't need to, it's just like your own, this might be gross, but like sweat and salt. So, and that doesn't, that's fine. You don't need to wash it. So I don't wash my hair after I work out. I usually use that hair dryer that I just showed you to like get kind of the wetness out. And then sometimes I'll do this, but it won't have like bumps from my hair tie, from the ponytail. So, all right, 3 minutes, 21 seconds. We've got this. So yeah, I just find that this is just a really easy way to have, just also kind of takes care of the ends. I did not put any, I just used Beauty Counter's shampoo and conditioner, just the regular clean routine. I've been using that for 4 years, maybe 5 years. And it actually really, my hair stays very healthy. As you can see, I color it, and so it works for color treated hair. And just a little bit goes a long way with all of Beauty Counter's products. But I find that with the shampoo and conditioner, I do the shampoo, focusing mainly just on the roots, and then rinse that out. And then the conditioner, I focus more on the ends with just like a little bit up top. And then with the conditioner on, I comb it through, and oh, that's a nice one. I comb it through, and yeah. All right, you guys, it's 4:28. I think I'm gonna be able to do this. I'm gonna loosen up the clamp a little bit because it's like the front pieces where they're kind of teeny. All right, 4:45. Just kind of shake them out. It just does a little bit of a wave, and I'm good to go and can hit school pickup. So hopefully this helps, and have a great day.